In this video, I'm going to unbox and review TAWAPYZ Studio Mic Kit. Just make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. Right now, at the moment of this recording, the price is $31.95 on Amazon. Pop filter, pretty big actually. Pop filter for the mic itself. USB connection cable to your computer. We have the scissor arm mount for scissor arm, mount for the mic itself. They also included the shock mount in the box. Here is the mic. As you can see, it is pretty light, but the quality is really good, the quality built. And you need to connect the USB down here and to your computer. It has the 60mm mic in the front. That's the only mic that they have in this one. That's not bad, I mean, for this price. Putting it in the shock mount. You don't want the noise when you move around. That's how does it look with the shock mount. I can also use the pop filter on top just to make the audio better. Okay, so there's an adapter if you want to install the shock mount. You can also install the pop filter in the front, or you just use the pop filter on the mic itself. I'm just gonna use it like this. Now you're gonna hear what this mic sounds like. I'm not gonna use any filter or anything. You're just gonna get the raw audio. Okay, now the audio that you're hearing is from TAWAPYZ microphone kit. Just trying to test the audio. 1 2 3 1 2 3. How does it sound, guys? Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know in the comments. I'm just gonna get closer to the mic to see if that's gonna change anything. One thing that I noticed, this mic doesn't have the audio jack, so you can monitor the audio with your headphone. So that's something. Well, I mean, $30. You're not gonna get everything included. It doesn't pick up much noise in the background. And when I talk close enough to the mic, is actually, I think it's a pretty good quality audio. So what do you guys think? Do you guys hear anything weird? How's the noise level? Let me know in the comment. And if you like this audio quality, I mean, for $30, I think it does match my $80 microphone that I have connected to my computer. I see it's pretty similar. So it's just $50 cheaper, but it gives you the same audio quality. I mean, that's a bargain in my opinion. So I'm just going back. If we talk at this distance, I don't know if you're talking like this far, how's the audio? I'm just getting closer. This is I'm actually talking really close to the mic, and I see it picks up pretty good pattern. Yeah, so far so good, right? That's pretty much it for this mic. Guys, let me know what you think about this mic in the comment section, because I mean, for $30 you get the scissor pop filter, you get the shake mount, with the pop filter for the audio as well. I mean, I think it's a pretty good deal with the quality that I just got from this mic. I'm really happy as far as the pricing, the quality of the build, the tools that you get. I think this is a really good price for this mic. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.